I, Sanashika,
Me, Yuna Kodar.
are going to present on
Scientific journey. So the agenda for today is to explore through various topics regarding scientific journey. As you can see on the board, we have SpaceX rocket, James Webb Telescope, Artemis program, and exoplanets. So let's get started with our presentation with the James Webb Telescope.
The James Webb Telescope has launched in 2021 and has been a game changer for space exploration overseas. Unlike other telescopes, it sees and it can pierce thick clouds of cosmic dust to reveal galaxies that were formed over 13 billion years ago. With its huge gold-plated mirrors and advanced technology, it provides a deeper and a more clear understanding of the universe other than any telescopes before it. And scientists have been using it to study the atmosphere of exoplanets to find gases such as water vapor, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, methane, to see if life can sustain or not in those planets. The James Webb Telescope is not just a telescope, but rather a time machine. It has provided a new window for us to see the earlier chapters of the universe and understand beyond just Earth.
the Artemis program is NASA's big step back to the moon. In 2022, Artemis 1 launched a rocket and a capsule around the lunar orbit. The next mission, Artemis 2, will fly astronauts around the moon. And finally, the third, Artemis 3, will take people back to the moon. What makes this different from Apollo is the vision. This is not just about orbiting the moon, it is about making a long-term presence that will prepare us for Mars.
SpaceX is building a Starship, which is going to be the largest rocket ever made. Its main objective is to carry over 100 tons of cargo and people to another planets like Mars and Moon. Although the previous attempts resulted in crash, SpaceX continues to build this Starship with more and more advanced technologies.
Now, exoplanets. All of the previous programs lead to one conclusion: to find extraterrestrial life. And exoplanets are the planets that are not in our solar system or outside our orbits of planets. In 2019, the NASA's Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite was launched in search for exoplanets and planets that are outside of Earth. As we all know, our Earth is dying, and we need a replacement for our Earth. NASA has worked on various programs, like the Citizen program, which is using citizens' computing resources to help NASA with their development. And various starships and rockets have been sent to outer space to look for exoplanets that are habitable for human beings. One more click.
Thank you.
Wow.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Christina. Today we will be presenting about biotechnology, advancements and applications in medicine.
Biotechnology harnesses the power of living systems and leads to develop useful products and technologies. It's a fascinating field that blends multiple scientific disciplines, combining biology, chemistry, engineering and computing to solve real-world problems. Uses biological processes, organisms, or derivatives to manufacture products. Examples range from ancient practices like when making to modern innovations, such as producing insulin from bacteria or creating rapid PCR tests.
Now we have some tools and technologies. First we have CRISPR, which is a revolutionizing genetic engineering with precise DNA engineering and editing capabilities. This helps scientists cut and paste genes from one part to another. Another we have is mRNA technology. What mRNA technology does is that it helps in the diagnosis of diseases in the global
crises such as mRNA technology was used during the COVID-19 as well. Next, we have monoclonal antibodies. Monoclonal antibodies are such antibodies which are edited by the scientists, the cells and proteins that are edited, which offer highly directed and highly precise treatments for autoimmune diseases such as cancer, Graves' disease, and many more. Next, we have NGS, which is next generation sequencing. This is a cost-effective genomic sequencing which helps the sequencing of the genes to treat genetic diseases. This is cheaper as compared to other services. Next, we have is cell therapies, which is CAR-T. This also involves engineering a patient's genetics, but this engineers the immune cells itself to fight immune diseases. Okay. Applications and diagnosis. So, bioengineering is also used in the application of diagnosis. So, due to biotechnology, the diagnosis has been easier. The first is rapid PCR, which is point of care test. This quickly identifies diseases such as the COVID-19 or flu, often providing results as soon as the test is conducted inside the lab. Next, we have liquid biopsy. Liquid biopsy is a non-invasive blood test which checks the DNA and finds out tumors and cancers in early stages. Next, we have genomic tests. Genomic tests basically analyze a person's DNA to access disease risks and genetic diseases. It also helps in treating genetic diseases, but as this is about diagnosis, it helps in diagnosing genetic diseases.
So now we have application in therapeuticals. So over the past decade, biotechnology has played a vital aspect in medicine. So with the help of these applications, we have been able to treat diseases that could have not been treated by traditional ways or methods and find the root causes. So the first one is mRNA vaccines, that's therapies. So COVID-19 was a vital disease that happened during the past few years. Without mRNA technology, this would have not been able to cure. The second is gene therapy. As we know, gene is a hereditary component, and in this therapy, we change the person's gene and put healthy genes instead of the worsened genes. And in the third one, there is monoclonal antibodies. So in this process, we neutralize the specific harmful molecules, and this is generally done to treat autoimmune diseases and various forms of cancers. The final one is CAR T cells. As we see in this title, in this procedure, the T cells is replaced with the help of CARs, chimeric antigen receptors, and it can help treat blood cancer as well as various other diseases. The another one is personalized and this is my personalized and precision medicines. So in this procedure, we go away from the one-size-fits-all to finding each and every treatment for specific diseases, and biotechnology has played a vital role in this field. So the first one is tailored treatments. In this treatment, we look at person's genetic makeup, their age, their hobbies, and we look at their perspective of their life. And through that, we design specific treatments for their requirements and what if we do certain things, their development occurs. The second one is pharmacogenomics. In this procedure, a person is given a drug. So according to the response of their drug, they're given various treatments according to the drugs. And the final one is companion diagnostics. In this treatment, we design the right treatment for the right person at the right time, and we find a conclusion for the treatment.
Digital safety and access concerns. As with all powerful technology, biotechnology raises important considerations such as off-target effects and long-term safety. Concerns around unintended changes in gene editing and long impact of novel therapies on human health is one of them. The other one is high cost and global access. Many advanced biological treatments are incredibly expensive, limiting access to a few people for a large portion of global population. The third one is genetic data privacy and consent. The collection and use of vast amounts of genetic information necessitates robust privacy safeguards and ethical consent protocols. Future directions and conclusion. AI plus biotech integration, regenerative medicine, portable
morning everyone. Today me, Swami Sharma, we'll be sharing on the topic blockchain technology, revolutionizing industries. Blockchain is a groundbreaking technology, the best understood as a decentralized distributor of digital data. It is where like a single, except of having a single server, the information is shared to many types of server, making a chain or a block-like structure. Why blockchain is important and its core advantages: trust and transparency. Since it is very trusted and the information in blockchain are encrypted, it cannot be easily accessed by other companies who will try to steal information. Efficiency and cost saving. To upgrade a blockchain technology or develop a blockchain technology, it is very cheap and easy. And automatic blockchain technology are automatic and real-time tracking. If you post any type of information on blockchain, the information will be automatically detected and the blockchain will start tracking the information. Financial services, the first frontier. Blockchain technology is fundamentally reshaping in financing landscape as it is easier, faster and cost saving.
Supply chain and retail transparency and efficiency. Blockchain is bringing unprecedented visibility and accountability for complex supply chains. It can track and verify. It helps in retail savings, logistics security, and consumer trust. Healthcare securing patient data and interoperability. Blockchains immutable and encrypted records offer transformative solution for privacy and data exchange. Emerging industry disruptions, real estate, cannabis, digital advertising, fine art, and NFTs.
Challenges and innovation on it. While blockchain offers immense potential overcoming current limitation is key to widespread adoption, scalability, network communication, and secure transaction remains the order. Solution: innovation like Ethereum 2.0 aim to boost speed and reduce cost. Integration: growing synergy with AI, IoT, and cloud computing for smarter applications. The future is blockchain is reshaping industries by enhancing trust, security, and efficiency. Business adopting blockchain gain significant advantages and faster innovation. Technology inherent flexibility is a continuous disruption and new opportunities.
So in conclusion, the blockchain technology is a big revolution. In short, we can say the blockchain technology is very revolutionizing and it's the future of industries. There are very advantages to decentralization. First is decentralization. Next is transparency and trust, as you can create trust with other people online. Next we have security and efficiency. It's a highly secure online platform where we can share data and keep our data safe. Other is business, as it's very useful in doing online business and in e-commerce and other online platforms. Next is governance, as government can provide online services to the citizens through blockchain technology and it can impact everybody's daily life with a proper use. In short summary of what very short. Short summary. In
short, to summarize everything my teammates have said so far, the presentation highlighted how this presentation has highlighted how blockchain technology has fundamentally impacted the future of e-commerce and other online businesses. Its core benefits are transformative, which are decentralization, robust security, and improved efficiency within the online business community, and blockchain impact is far reaching in business operations. Thank you. Thank you for your attention. Hope this presentation has given you the knowledge of blockchain technology.